So this is the 2-bedroom suite type, 206 square meters. So this room can be connected to our entry category double. So we can treat this room as a 3-bedroom room maximum. So here is our living space and also dining space. Design on dining space is kind of like Japanese ryokan style. And right side is our master bedroom. So master bedroom is almost same size as our junior suite corner king.
And what will be published price?
Starting from 1.5 million Japanese yen plus plus. So maximum is 2.5 million plus plus.
So like $10,000-15,000.
Kind of, yeah. Starting from. So setup, current setup of this bathroom is not actual one.
So also you have onsen.
No, no onsen actually. Just hinoki below, but not water itself is just tap water.
Mhm.
So actual layout is like this. Normally, in the middle of the bathroom, there is a bench. So this is the hinoki water, not onsen water, but just enjoy the smell of hinoki. And double experience shower. here is the second bedroom. Second bedroom is double. So this room is same size as our another junior suite type named Kenninji Temple. Size wise, it's 58 square meters. So we are able to set up the lower bed at every room. So maximum we can prepare 5 beds in this category. And when it's connected to our entry category double, it means we can set up another 3 bedrooms, 3 beds. So maximum we can prepare 8 beds. So this area is same as our standard and also another junior suite. So size, layout, design, all.
Oh, brilliant.
Thanks so much. So we have another suite named Gion Suite. The Gion, this is the Gion Suite and this is the Capella Suite. Now we are in the Capella Suite, but we do have a Gion Suite on second floor and third floor. The other you can see only the difference is whether the room has second bedroom or not. So for Gion Suite, living room and dining room and also the bedroom area is same as this room, Capella Suite, but only Capella Suite has second bedroom. And I mentioned that this room can be connected to the room next door.
So it could be 2 3 bedroom.
3 bedroom, yes.